If you're a driver juggling multiple rideshare or delivery apps like Uber, Lyft, or DoorDash, tools like Mystro Driver and Mystro can make your day a lot easier and potentially more profitable. Mystro automates a lot of the tedious work. It toggles your apps on and off, filters trips by pay, distance, or rider ratings, and reduces downtime. Some drivers report up to a 30% earnings boost by focusing on higher value trips. Safety is another big plus. Automation keeps your eyes on the road and hands on the wheel, while the interface is user-friendly, especially for newer drivers. There are some downsides. Mystro is a subscription service, and technical issues like glitches or crashes can happen, especially during peak hours. Functionality can vary by phone, platform, or app updates, and there's a slight risk with third-party app use. Some drivers have received warnings from rideshare companies. Support quality also varies, which may be a concern during a busy shift. As a user of Mystro, I've found it excellent on my iPhone 15 Pro Max with Lyft Auto Accept. Decline works perfectly, earnings are tracked by hour and mile, and trip logs are detailed. Uber support is less reliable, and the iPhone version isn't as smooth as Android, but overall, it's been a major moneymaker. Both Mystro Driver and Mystro offer real potential to increase earnings, reduce downtime, and make driving safer, especially for those managing multiple platforms. However, subscription costs, occasional technical issues, and platform risks mean drivers should carefully weigh whether these tools fit their style and local market.